Hey tech fans, welcome to Technology Trends, where value meets flagship power. Before we break down the OnePlus 15 leaks that are rocking the mobile world, hit subscribe and ring the bell so you're ahead of the curve. The OnePlus 15 is rumored to debut with Snapdragon 8 Elite 2, a flat 1.5K display, a massive 7000 mAh battery, and a 50 megapixels triple camera. Does it have what it takes to dethrone Apple and Samsung? Let's find out. OnePlus is ditching the curved screen for a 6.78-inch flat LTPO AMOLED display with 1.5K resolution and ultra-thin bezels, using LiPo packaging to deliver iPhone-style symmetry. Under the hood, Snapdragon 8 Elite 2, SM8850, a next-gen 3nm chip promising up to 3.8 million in 2.2 scores, almost 25% faster than its predecessor. The bombshell, a rumored 7000 mAh battery, dwarfing current flagships. Yet OnePlus maintains a slim form factor, thanks to silicon carbon tech and crafty engineering. OnePlus opts for a proven path, a triple 50 megapixels camera system, main, ultra-wide, periscope, with 3x optical zoom. But insiders hint at a potential 200 megapixels periscope sensor. That'd be a huge leap for zoom capabilities. Leaks say China launch in October 2025, with a global rollout in January 2026. Price likely in India around 80,000 rupees, $950, keeping it aggressive for a true flagship killer. OnePlus 15 looks like a serious contender, cutting-edge chipset, flat display, massive battery, pro-level cameras, and premium extras, all at a disruptive price. Apple and Samsung, watch out. Are you ready for this power-packed flagship? Let me know in the comments, are you switching or sticking? If you enjoyed this breakdown, drop a like, share with your tech crew, and subscribe for full coverage when the OnePlus 15 goes official.